Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Chikon Dotto and I am back with another review and demo video, and today I'll do review and demo of sheet masks, and these sheet masks are from Nykaa and I have lots of sheet masks from Nykaa and I will tell you everything step by step. So if you guys are interested, then stay tuned to my channel. And today I am filming back to back two videos, and recently I did how you can do your hair straightening at home like salon. So if you guys want to watch that video, then do watch it. After watching this one, I will provide the link of that video in my I button and in my description box below. Please do check my description box for that video. And if you guys here for the first time, then do subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification next to it so that you will never miss any of my updates. Now without further ado, let's quickly jump into the video. These sheet masks are available at Nykaa and the price of these sheet masks are 100 rupees each for 20 ml product. I got it at buy one get one free offer, and there is always a sale going on. You can check it frequently to get that offer. And each sheet mask is different from each other, and every sheet mask has their different benefit to skin. And recently I used this sheet mask. This is rose plus goat milk and the result was amazing. And today I'll use this sheet mask, and this is a pearl and hyaluronic acid. Tea tree and aloe vera sheet mask is best for those who have acne problem or rashes. Tea tree helps to remove acne and heal skin inflammation. Aloe vera helps to detoxify the skin and deeply clean the skin from inside. Avocado and moringa sheet mask is best for dry and dehydrated skin. Avocado provides deep nourishment and moisturizes the skin. Moringa rich in vitamins and it provides intense hydration to skin. Almond and yogurt sheet mask is best for those who want healthy and glowing skin. Almond is rich in vitamin and it provides glowy skin. Yogurt repairs the skin and revives youthfulness. Honey and lavender sheet mask is best for those who has fine lines, dark circle. Lavender reduces dark circle and fine lines. Honey makes the skin soft from inside. Turmeric and coconut sheet mask is best for those who have uneven complexion. Coconut treats uneven complexion and turmeric is rich in antioxidant. It provides natural glow. Charcoal and bamboo sheet mask is best for those who have dry and dehydrated skin. Bamboo provides deep nourishment and intense hydration, and charcoal gives a natural detox to skin. Matcha tea and chamomile sheet mask is best for those who have irritation. Chamomile soothes the skin and matcha tea cleans the toxin and protect the skin from impurities. Now let's move on to the demo part of this video. I just clean my face with a regular face wash. As you all can see, here is no makeup on my face, and always try to use sheet mask after cleaning your face with a regular face wash or cleanser or whatever you have. Today I am using pearl and hyaluronic acid sheet mask, and it is 100% paraben free, silicone free, mineral oil free, and it has no added color. As you all can see, here is lots of excess serum in it, and I will use it later after peeling off the sheet mask. These sheet masks are very much travel friendly, so you can carry this sheet mask while you are traveling, and this sheet mask covers my face as you all can see. This pearl and hyaluronic acid sheet mask is best for firming and brightening the skin. Pearls bring ample vitamins and provides radiant skin, and hyaluronic acid provides intense hydration and revives youthfulness. Now it's almost done, and I will wait 10 to 15 minutes for dry, and I just massage the excess serum on my neck. 15 minutes is over, and as you all can see, the sheet mask is completely dry, and I just gently peel off the sheet mask from my face. Now I am applying the excess serum on my face and gently massage it with a very soft hand. It's best to use sheet mask once in a week, or you can use the sheet mask before applying the makeup.
Now it's almost done and you can see the final result, and do comment me in the comment section below if you have any query or suggestion about this product or anything. I will love to reply each and every question of yours.
So that's it for today. So if you guys do like my videos, then smash the like button really hard and do share it with your friends and family, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, tata, bye bye, take care, have a great day. Tata.